So this is a YouTube tutorial on creating easy workflows to communicate to web designers or contractors that are building your site on what it is you're looking for. So this is for creating an outline. So this is an outline I've created. I built it in Google Docs presentations. You could use a PowerPoint, but I tend to find these long workflows work better in this form visually. So what I did is I took screenshots of the theme template. So that's this background image here is actually the theme template outlined. So I drew it out on a couple of different pages by taking screenshots with the software Jing, J-I-N-G, through TechSmith. So that's how I got these screenshots of the whole homepage. So that's one way to start. So if you were going to be using this site, for example, to outline content you want switched out or images you want changed or whatever, you would use a screen capture software like Jing to take pictures of the different sections so that you can add them to a presentation for an easy visual on what needs to be changed out. So I went ahead and outlined everything from, like, this is the templated logo sitting here. So I made sure to put the file of my logo here for the contractor or the web development firm to easily grab and stick right in there to replace it. I also outline some text instructions. So current logo needs to be changed out and replaced with Haley's logo. I was able to do that through these tools up here. So I can create a text box and write. I can make the outline of the text box red using this. I can also link images or text documents that I've uploaded to Google Drive for the contractor to easily see what needs to be replaced. So you can kind of see I'm outlining these tabs need to be changed. They need to actually read home, about us, services, portfolio, our clients, blog, contact us. So I've actually outlined those here. Social media icons, I have actually linked to the social media outlets that I want them linked to here. So the contractor can change that out. I've outlined for this placed text here, this dummy text is what you'd call that. I've said I actually want this to say virtual assisting here, and that this dummy text needs to be replaced with this. So all of these elements in a website are actually what's called modules, and so they're really easily changed out through the back end of the website. If you outline it, though, it makes it a lot easier for your web designer to know where you want things placed. So I did the same here. Again, it looks a little complicated because there's a lot of lines being drawn to different places, but you can kind of see that I've literally taken apart even these images. I'm saying leave the templated images that are already just placed in the templated example. It comes with set images already in there as fillers, but you can definitely get into as much detail as going and finding the images you want placed in there. All of these elements, the branding, photography, design text here, that's an element of the website theme. You can then outline what you want these changed to say something different. Again, I have outlined all aspects of this theme, all the text element modules, all of the visual elements, and what I want them replaced with. So if I were using this, for example, I would go through, and if this is not an image you want used, that's fine, but try to put in your outline what you want it replaced with a link to the file so that the contractor, all they need to do is go into this workflow and understand exactly what needs to be changed out. If you want to change these buttons and even their drop-down menu or conventions in any way, this is a really easy way to get that done, is to build a workflow like this. So that goes for any elements. This is its own module, for example. This is its own. This is its own. All of these are kind of boxed in for a reason because they're different modules in the website that can be manipulated to be somewhat customized for the brand that's using the theme. So I'm hoping that this will help explain how to effectively communicate with the contractor so that they don't waste time and valuable hours trying to figure out where you want things placed.